Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make Nutrela soy chunks in chili chicken style. This recipe is especially for those who always ask me for chicken recipes, and yeah, I hope this recipe will help you somehow. Before jumping to the recipe, I want to request you guys, don't forget to like and share the video and also subscribe to my channel. First and foremost, soak the Nutrela soy chunks in cold or hot water. Let it get soft. Meanwhile, you can cut veggies and make batter. For veggies, I have one onion, cut it into big chunks. Half tomato, cut it into random sizes. 4 to 5 cloves of chopped garlic. You can even use some ginger. 3 to 4 bites cut of green chilies. Now let me show you how to make batter. For that, I'm using 1 small bowl of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour, half tablespoon of baking powder, as totally optional, half tablespoon of salt. Give a quick mix. Add a little bit of water at a time. Blend and make a batter, thick or thin, depending upon how thick or thin you want your soy chunks to be coated with. Since I like my soy chunks with lightly coated, so I want to keep my batter thin. Now our batter is ready. Okay, let's check our soy chunks. It's already soft enough. Now I'm gonna rinse it and squeeze off the water. And goes into the batter. Mix to coat it well. Then goes into the hot oil, which I've already heated. Now we're gonna fry them under medium-low heat for next 8 to 10 minutes or until they turn into light brown. Don't forget to stir them occasionally. Now it's time to take it out, and this is how they look. Now everything is ready. Let's fry them up together. For that, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add garlic, tomatoes, and fry for a couple of minutes. Goes in onion. Likewise, fry for a couple of minutes. Add green chilies, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Now turn down the heat. Add a little bit of salt, half tablespoon of vinegar, half tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. You can turn back the flame to high, give a good mix, and add fried soy chunks. I'm gonna add half and store rest in the fridge and will use whenever I want for next 1 week. Mix, mix, mix. Spray some water and sizzle it for next 2 to 3 minutes. Oh god, it smells so good. Finally, garnish it with some coriander. Since I ran out of coriander, I didn't use, but you can. Also serve it when it's hot. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and the least you could do is like this video. Bye bye, see you in the next recipe.